Tavel wines are made around a village that bears the same name, Tavel, in the Rhone Valley in the southeastern part of France. Tavel wines have the specificity of being exclusively rosé wines, pink wines. There is no red wines here, which is the speciality of Rhone as far as wine is concerned in general, from such appellations as Châteauneuf-du-Pape, Gigondas, Vaqueras, Bonne de Venise, Côte-du-Rhône and many more. No, in Tavel all wines are pink, no white wines either. The specificity, the second characteristics of Tavel rosé wines is the color intensity that these wines feature. Not only are they very darkly colored for rosé wines, which is against a little bit of the trends of pale salmon pink rosé wines such as the wines from Provence, Tavel wines are very intensely colored as well as featuring full-bodied and loads of flavor intensity, loads of pomegranate, red berries, spicy characters. You will find a wealth of flavors and aromas bursting out of a glass of Tavel rosé wines. Tavel. The typical French pronunciation, Tavel. Tavel. Les vins de Tavel. The wines of Tavel. I hope you've learned something today. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you soon to share more of the passion that we have for wine. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine.